Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 35, light. In this worksheet we will discuss about reflection of light. Aman, a very curious student of class 7th, have studied that light travels on a straight line path. But a question strikes him most. What will happen when light falls on a smooth surface? क्या क्वेश्चन स्ट्राइक कर रहा था उसके ब्रेन में, उसके दिमाग में? What will happen when light falls on a smooth or shiny surface? He discussed it with his classmates and then asked his teacher to explain it. His teacher made a demonstration. टीचर ने कैसे एक्सप्लेन किया? By making a demonstration, he explained this. Need to know, a smooth surface is either highly polished surface or a mirror. तो smooth surface कौन से होते हैं? There are two types of surfaces. First one is smooth and second one is rough surfaces. Smooth surfaces is either a highly polished surface or mirror. किसी surface को जब हम polished करते हैं, जैसे polished metal piece or glass, all are act as a mirror. Now we will discuss this activity. In this activity, take a torch, cover its glass with black chart paper which has 3 narrow slits as in given pictures. यहाँ पर क्या बनाई गई हैं? ब्लैक पेपर लेकर उसमें 3 पतले पतले स्लिट्स काटे गए हैं बच्चों. Spread a sheet of chart paper on the smooth wooden board. ये wooden board है. This one is wooden board and place a chart on it. Fix a plain mirror strip vertically on the chart paper. यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है? You have to place a mirror strip vertically on the chart. This like this. Now direct the beam of light on the mirror from the torch with slits. यहाँ से स्लिट से हमें क्या थ्रो करनी है? Beam of light. Place the torch in such a way that its light is seen along the chart paper on the board. आपको क्या करना है? इस तरह अरेंजमेंट बनाना है कि स्लिट से निकलने वाली जो रेस हैं लाइट की वो कहाँ पड़नी चाहिए बच्चों? चार्ट पेपर के ऊपर से होते हुए किसके ऊपर जानी चाहिए? मिरर के ऊपर फॉल होनी चाहिए. Now adjust the position so that the light from the torch strikes the plane mirror at the angle. You have to make arrangement that light rays coming from the slit of the torch should be fall on the mirror at an angle. Then what would happen? What would you see? You will see a mirror changes the direction of light that falls on it. क्या देखेंगे आप? Mirror changes the direction of light falls on it. This change of direction by mirror is called reflection of light. Means bounce back of light rays falling on the mirror or by striking mirror, and also the change of direction of light rays by the mirror is called reflection of light. This phenomena is known as reflection of light. In the above activity, we are able to see the reflection of light from the mirror. आपने क्या देखा इस एक्टिविटी के थ्रू? Reflection of light by a plane mirror. The direction of reflected light gets changed with the change in direction of incident light. अगर हम जो लाइट रेज फॉल हो रही हैं उनकी डायरेक्शन चेंज करेंगे तो क्या होगा, रिफ्लेक्टेड लाइट की डायरेक्शन भी चेंज हो जाएगी. नाउ क्वेश्चन आंसर, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट क्या होता है बच्चों? इट्स रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट इज अ फिनोमेना of bouncing back of light rays in the same medium on striking the surface of any object, and also the change in direction of light. This process is called reflection of light. Question number 2. Write 2 more examples of smooth surfaces. 2 more examples. You can write glass. Also, you can write polished metals. अगर metals पर polish कर दी जाए, it will act as a mirror. What is image? Image क्या होते हैं बच्चों? Place a lighted candle in front of a plain mirror and try to see the flame of the candle in the mirror. अगर आप कोई lighted candle या कोई object mirror के सामने रखते हैं and if you try to see in the mirror, it appears as if similar candle is placed behind the mirror. कैसा लगेगा आपको? जो ऑब्जेक्ट हम मिरर के सामने रखते हैं आपको कैसा अपीयर होगा? If the object is placed behind the mirror, the candle or object which appears behind the mirror is the image of the candle or object formed by the mirror. The candle itself is the object. जो आपने सामने इमेज के मिरर के सामने जो ऑब्जेक्ट रखा है आपने, that is object, and what you have seen in behind the mirror, that is image. And image is formed due to reflection of light. Thanks for watching.